Hi, I'm Logan Bartlebaugh. This is my third year at the CTC in the Welding Program. I am from Altoona. I got into welding when I was working on my truck a couple years ago, and I just enjoyed it, and I saw the CTC offered it, and I just started from there. And it certainly wasn't the best, so I had a lot to learn, both knowledgeably and physically learning the skills. So I thought I could learn a lot from this, and there is a lot you can learn, more than just knowledge and the skills. There's AWS certification that you can get through welding, and there is some credits that you can get through local colleges around. When it comes to this, you get lots of experience, and that's the number one thing. I've become more knowledgeable in how to correct things and make things better in order to get the best I can out of what I do. This is not just a free period to throw away or free couple periods just to lay off or whatever. This is something that you need to try in. There's a lot to offer in our shop. Sometimes it doesn't feel like 3 years is enough. It's fun. There's a lot of cool stuff to learn here, and a lot of stuff you'll use later in industry if you decide to go into it. There's tons of construction, anything in the railroad. There's almost anything you can think of that deals with metal will hire you. When it comes to welding, you're gonna get dirty. You may not like it at first, but it's something that might grow onto you. Welding has given me the opportunity to really decide on what I want to do with my life. It makes you happy to see that you're able to progress like that and be able to think, hey, I can do this in the future and make something out of it and make a living out of it, essentially, and that's where this gets you.